If you're wondering how you can do screen recording on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just look for the option for screen recording. Now, if you cannot find the screen recording option in your control center, then tap on the edit button and tap on edit. Now, under the available buttons section, just look for the option for screen recording. And after you find the option of screen recording, just tap on it to add it to your control center, then select done. But in our case, we do not have the screen recording option on our Samsung phone. Now, if you do not have this feature and if you want to add it to your control center, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. And install this app on your Samsung phone. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just select Enable and enable the toggle for X Recorder. Then go back and give this app this permission. And after you have done that, then go to your home screen and open the control center on your Samsung phone. Now just tap on Edit. And under the available buttons section, you will find an option called X Recorder. Now just tap on it to add it to your control center. Then select Done. And once you do that, you will add the screen recording feature to your control center. Now to start screen recording, just tap on this button over here and select the audio you want to record while you're screen recording. You can either enable internal audio and you will only record the sound in your screen recording from your device. And if you enable microphone, you will be able to record your voice while you're screen recording. Or you can enable mute. And after you enable mute, you will not record any audio while you're screen recording. And after you have selected your preferred option, then select Start. Tap on while using the app and select entire screen from here. Then tap on Share Screen. And after you have done that, you will start screen recording on your Samsung phone. And once you're done screen recording, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center and tap on the X Recorder option over here. And once you do that, you will finish screen recording on your Samsung phone. And as you can see, this is the screen recording which we have recorded. Now you can edit the screen recorder from here and you can share it to any other contact or to an app from here. And this is how you can record screen on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.